Oh, here we go. Another student favorite, the dance band. Big deal though, up here on the top here we see time signature, okay? Time signature, very important. Up here on the top we see time signature, very important. The top number 4 means that there are 4 counts or beats in every measure. The bottom number tells us that the quarter note, which we've been playing quarter notes, is the beat that gets 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is in 4/4 time because in each measure, everything adds up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this measure? Yes, 1, 2, and the half note is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4/4 time. Top note means 4 beats in the measure. That's the most important one now to remember. Okay, third finger on F for the dance band. Third finger on F. Left hand. Oh, it looks like I lost a little volume there. Third finger on F for dance band. Okay. And on the right hand, first finger on C. 1, 2, ready, go. F, F, C, C, D, E, F. F, F, C, C, D, E, F. G, F, E, D, C. F, F, C, C, D, E, F. One more time with the words. 1, 2, ready, go. F, F, I'm sorry, with the words and ready, go. People dancing all around, clapping to the big band sound. I can't stop my feet, yes, when I hear that big band beat. Awesome song, the dance band.